So hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Legalites Hub. I'm Kanak Shukla and yeah guys, I'm back with another video in the series of moot court competition. As in my last video, I already covered about how to prepare the petitioner side memorials. So I hope you guys have already watched that video, but if not, you can definitely watch it through the playlist I created with the title Moot Court Competition series. So in today's video, I'm going to discuss about how to prepare respondent side memorial. I know everyone is worried about how to prepare a memorial, especially those who are going to participate in their first moot court competition. So don't worry guys, I'm here with the solution. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. So the front page of the memorial, which is known as title page or cover page. So as I already told you that in the petitioner side memorial, the front page have to be blue in color. But in respondent side memorial, the front page have to be red in color. So the cover or front page of a respondent memorial typically includes the name of the court or tribunal, the case title, the case number, the type of document, the date of filing, and the names and details of the legal representatives. So as it is mentioned, the court name or tribunal name, that is the before the Honorable Supreme Court of its kind, the writ petition, that is the case title, and under which article of the Indian Constitution this has been filed, it is mentioned in Article 32, then writ petition number, memorial code, TC03. Here you guys can see what is this TC03. So basically the TC03 is the team code number. Each and every team in a moot court competition is allotted with some team code and they have to be identified according to their team code. They are not supposed to reveal their institution name. So basically जो title और cover page होता है उसमें क्या क्या mention होता है, एक तो tribunal या court का name, एक केस टाइटल, देन किस आर्टिकल या सेक्शन के अंदर वो फाइल किया गया है, जिस भी आर्टिकल के अंदर वो फाइल किया गया है, लाइक हियर इन दिस it has been filed under under article 32 of the Indian Constitution, that is writ petition. The writ petition number or memorial code, that is your team code, and in the top of the page it is mentioned R. What is that R? So R here refers to respondent and TC03 is the team code number. After that, the parties to the case, that is petitioner versus respondent, so handsome versus good bole. Let's move to the next page, that is table of content. The table of content outlines the structure and sections of the document, providing an organized roadmap for the reader. It typically lists the main headings and subheadings of the memorial, such as the introduction, statement of facts, legal issues, arguments, and conclusion. So basically, the table of content outlines the structure and sections of the document. तो ये क्या करता है कि एक रोड मैप प्रोवाइड करता है रीडर को कि इस मेमोरियल में क्या क्या चीजें इंक्लूड करी गई हैं, क्या इसका स्ट्रक्चर है, क्या क्या सेक्शंस है एंड क्या क्या हेडिंग्स एंड सब हेडिंग्स है जो कि कवर की गई है इस पूरे मेमोरियल में. सो बेसिकली द टेबल ऑफ कंटेंट लुक्स लाइक दैट, लाइक इंडेक्स ऑफ अथॉरिटीज, लिस्ट ऑफ एब्रिविएशंस एंड सो ऑन. So let's move to the next page, that is Index of Authorities. The Index of Authorities in a respondent memorial is a list of legal sources such as statutes, case law, treaties, academic writings, and other relevant documents that are cited or referenced throughout the memorial. So basically आपने जो भी case laws use करे हैं या कोई भी statutes आपने use करे हैं अपने memorial में for supporting your legal reasoning, those have to be listed down in this column. Like under the index of authorities, there is a subheading of table of cases where we have to outline all the cases that we have used in our legal reasoning to justify our argument. So basically इसमें क्या क्या होता है, कोई भी statutes, कोई भी case law, कोई भी treaties या academic writing, वो हमें यहाँ पे मेंशन करनी रहती है. वो हमें क्या करनी रहती है, यहाँ पे मेंशन करनी रहती है. So basically the index of authorities laid down the legal sources that has been used by the respondent in their legal reasoning for supporting their argument. So let's move to the next page, that is lexicons and websites. The lexicons and websites section of a respondent memorial typically includes a list of key legal terms, definitions, or online resources that has been referenced or are relevant to the arguments presented in the memorial. Basically, the lexicons are the dictionaries that has been used by the respondent for their research work. Like here it is mentioned, Black Law Dictionary, Oxford English Dictionary. So basically जो भी dictionary आपने use करी है वो उसको हमें list down करना पड़ेगा under the column of lexicons, और website जिससे हमने research किया है for finding out the relevant case laws or relevant लीगल रीजनिंग, वो हमें वेबसाइट्स पे लिस्ट डाउन करनी पड़ेंगी. लाइक मेंशन लाइव लॉ हो गया, इंडियन कानून हो गया, लीगल सर्विसेज हो गया, आर्टिकल ऑन लॉ हो गया. सो बेसिकली ये सारी क्या है, वेबसाइट्स है जिन्हें रिसर्च करने के लिए यूज करी है. सो लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट वन, that is statutes. The statute section of a respondent memorial lists the specific laws, statutes, and legal provisions that are cited or relied upon throughout the document. So basically जो भी हमने legal statutes use करे, जो भी हमने अपने मेमोरियल में मेंशन करे, वो सारे हमें यहाँ पे लिखने पड़ेंगे. लाइक अगर हमने कोई इंडियन कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एक्ट यूज करा है तो वो भी लिखना पड़ेगा, इंडियन पीनल कोड, इंडियन एविडेंस एक्ट, जो भी है. बट हाँ, यहाँ पे हमें एक चीज ध्यान रखनी है कि यहाँ पे इंडियन क्यों नहीं लिखा गया. तो हमें क्या कर, यहाँ पे इंडियन क्यों नहीं लिखा गया. सो बेसिकली हमें जो भी मूट कोर्ट प्रॉब्लम में जो भी नेम प्रोवाइड करा गया होता है उस प्लेस का, वही हमें यहाँ पे मेंशन करना रहता है. ओके, गॉट इट. ओके, सो लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट पेज, that is list of abbreviations. The list of abbreviations in a respondent memorial provides a concise reference to the shortened forms of terms, names or phrases used throughout the document. So basically abbreviations क्या होते हैं, जो short forms हमने use करे हैं अपने memorial में, उनका full form क्या है वो हमें यहाँ पे उसकी एक list बना करके यहाँ पे प्रेजेंट करनी है, यहाँ पे हमें प्रेजेंट करनी रहती है. सो whenever any person get confused about that particular short form, they can definitely go through that particular column to know about the full form of that particular abbreviation. Like article के लिए ART यूज करा गया है, तो यहाँ पे ART short form लिख करके और उसका full form article लिख दिया गया है. Okay, so let's move to the next page, that is a statement of jurisdiction, very important page of a memorial. The statement of jurisdiction in a respondent memorial outlines the legal basis and authority under which the court or tribunal has the power to hear the case. So basically this page outlines the authority and on what legal basis that particular court or tribunal is hearing that particular case. Whether that court has the power to hear the case or not, that particular page of the memorial justifies about the jurisdiction of the court. Okay, so let's move to the next page, that is statement of facts. The statement of facts in a respondent memorial provides a clear chronological and factual account of the events, circumstances and actions leading to the dispute. So basically in our last video जब मैंने petitioner side का define करा था, तो मैंने वहाँ पे जो facts थे, statement of facts का एक tabular form show करा था, जो कि मैंने बोला था आप उसको एक डिटेल्ड फॉर्मेट में एक्सप्लेनेटरी मैनर में और ब्रीफ फैक्ट्स डाल करके उस हेडिंग के अंदर कवर कर सकते हैं. सो बेसिकली द स्टेटमेंट ऑफ फैक्ट्स इंक्लूड ऑल दोज important information related to the case and a factual account of the events that are relevant from the case point of view. So basically यहाँ पे ब्रीफ फैक्ट्स लिखे हुए हैं जो कि टेबुलर फॉर्मेट था, उसी को हम क्या कर सकते हैं, ये it's up to you whether you want to represent your statement of facts in a tabular manner or in a detailed manner, like it is mentioned brief facts. Okay, so let's move to the next page, statement of issues. The statement of issues in a respondent memorial outlines the specific legal questions or issues that the court or tribunal is being asked to resolve. Basically the point of contention. ठीक है, बेसिकली ये इश्यूज जो होते हैं वो मूट प्रॉब्लम में दिए रहते हैं कि क्या इश्यूज थे जिसकी वजह से डिस्प्यूट अराइज हुआ बिटवीन द पार्टीज. सो बेसिकली देयर आर issues that are mentioned in the moot problem. We have to list down it in the column of the statement of issues. I can also frame the sub issues if we want. Sometimes sub issues are already provided in the moot problem, but if not, then we can definitely frame sub issues also. according to the main issues that are listed down in the memorial. So let's move to the next page. Summary of pleadings or argument. The summary of pleadings in a respondent memorial provides a brief overview of the key arguments and positions that petitioner will present in the document. So this basically outlines the legal reasoning that the respondent side is going to present in their argument, and it basically gives a brief overview of their key arguments and positions that the respondent will present in the document. Okay, so basically the summary of pleadings are what? These are the briefing of the legal reasoning that will be presented by the respondent in their argument. और ये summary of pleadings को जब हम डिटेल फॉर्मेट में एक ब्रीफिंग के साथ प्रेजेंट करते हैं थ्रू सपोर्टिंग केस लॉस or any evidences, that will come under the argument advance column. That is, the argument advance section of a respondent memorial present a detailed legal reasoning and analysis supporting the respondent's claim. It systematically addresses each of the legal issues identified earlier in the document, applying relevant law, precedents, and evidence to demonstrate why the respondent's position is legally sound. बेसिकली जब हम अपने जो प्लीडिंग ऑफ आर्ग्यूमेंट्स को हम ब्रीफ फॉर्मेट में एक्सप्लेनेटरी मैनर में प्रेजेंट करते हैं, दैट विल बी कॉल्ड एज द आर्ग्यूमेंट्स एडवांस. That is the briefing of our legal reasoning by some supporting evidences, statutes, or any supporting case law. Okay, let's move to the next one. That is the last page of the memorial. That is prayer. The prayer of a respondent memorial is the concluding section where the petitioner explicitly requests the relief or outcome they seek from the court or tribunal. It outlines the specific legal remedies, actions, or orders the petitioner wants the court to grant, such as ruling in their favor, compensation, or other forms of redress. सो बेसिकली क्या करते हैं, जो प्रेयर कॉलम होता है उसमें हम ये मेंशन करते हैं कि व्हाट रिलीफ और आउटकम वी वांट फ्रॉम द कोर्ट और वी आर सीकिंग फ्रॉम द कोर्ट, and it basically outlines the specific legal remedies or actions or orders that a respondent wants the court to grant, such as maybe the compensation or ruling in their favor or other forms of redress. So basically जो भी हम remedies कोर्ट से लेना चाहते हैं वो हम यहाँ पे मेंशन करते हैं कि व्हाट आर द रिलीफ और रिक्वेस्ट or outcome you are seeking from the court, that we have to mention in that particular section of the memorial, that is prayer. Okay, and this is basically the format that how we have to write our prayer. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you guys have got the clear view about how to prepare the memorial from both the sides. And yeah, if you guys have liked this series, then guys, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And also, please press the bell icon so whenever I will upload a new video, you will get a notification of it. And yeah, guys, one thing, please do share this video to all your colleagues or friends who are not aware about all these things, so that they can also get some benefit from these from this series. And yeah, keep supporting, keep loving, and thanks for watching.